composers behind the most remarkable movie theme songs set in the scene last year. And here are the nominees.
Indie Movie Theme Song of the Year. When magic hurts, sa likod ng talumpay, ay kung natin ang boy story. You will still love me outside.
The star for any movie theme song of the year goes.
Maraming salamat kay Tito Vince Urno sa pagsulat sa napakagandang awiting Hamon. And thank you to Mayor Marcos Mamay for the opportunity na nilagay niya po sa akin para maawit po at ma-record ang napakagandang awiting ito.